Hello. Well, it's been a bullish week for energy prices, so let's have a look in some more detail. After the long weekend, oil prices continue to rise on Tuesday due to ongoing supply disruptions. Brent closed the session just over $1 per barrel higher than Friday's close to settle at $50.03 per barrel. Prices eased somewhat on Wednesday with rising output from OPEC and weak Chinese economic data weighing down on prices, although the downward motion didn't continue into Thursday's session and Brent posted gains once again. News that Russian output fell in May added upward pressure to prices. OPEC held a meeting in Vienna on Thursday, although no clear oil output strategy was agreed. Iran maintained it would increase production, and Saudi Arabia promised not to flood the market. As a result, prices were bearish on Thursday morning, but then they rose steeply in the afternoon following the EIA report showing a reduction in stocks of 1.4 million barrels. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $49.6 per barrel, up 61 cents compared to last Friday. Prompt contracts were under pressure on Tuesday as supply concerns increased. A number of processing plants were taken offline and capacity was significantly reduced. Prompt contracts rose as a result, and the bullish sentiment filtered through into the near curve. A strong euro relative to the pound also provided support to the curve. Curve contracts initially softened on Wednesday, taking direction from weaker oil prices. However, prices rallied towards the end of the day as the euro continued to appreciate. Sterling made a minor recovery on Thursday, however it wasn't enough to pressure prices lower. Rising oil prices and a short system directed all contracts higher. All gas contracts closed last night higher than last Friday, with Summer 17 closing at 35.5 pence per therm, up 1.7 pence per therm compared to last Friday. Bullish gas prices directed all power contracts higher on Tuesday. CCGT provided 44% to the mix, whilst coal only provided 5%. Power contracts on Wednesday tracked the early movements of the gas curve lower, but although they didn't track the late rally, and as a result, most contracts closed the session flat to lower day on day. Thursday remained bullish and prices pushed higher once again, taking direction from the rising gas prices. All power contracts closed last night higher than last Friday by around £1 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this report from the Energy Price Information tab on our website. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.